Welcome to all Samiti students. Today now again discuss the practical number 2. Now aim to determine the resistance of a given wire using a meter bridge and hence determine the resistivity of the material of the wires. So now friends, today again we using an unknown resistance and we found the value of given wire. Now first Whiston bridge. Now this bridge have four types of R. Like remaining four are three is a known and one is a unknown. So friends, with the help of three known R values, we found the one of the unknown resistance values. Now, so regarding this practical, we want some required material. So like 1 meter bridge, a wire about a 1 meter long, a resistance box, a rheostat, galvanometer, a jockey, one-way key, batteries, and some connecting wires and sandpapers, etc. Now the circuit connection. Now regarding the practicals is a compulsory. First you do a circuit connection. It's a very simple part. So first we discuss about the meter bridge. So now what is a meter bridge and how can you show? So now you show one of the wooden box like have some values starting from A and the C is the end point. Between A and C, you showing a 1 meter scale, now range starting from 0 to 100 centimeter. Now this meter bridge, some point like between the B center point. Between A and B, you showing a two terminals like M and between B and C is a P and so B is a center point on 50 centimeter. Now second, jockey key. Now jockey key, one of the made by the metals. Now with the help of jockey key, now this jockey key we moving on the wire and after we found the null point on the galvanometer. Second we want a battery, then after rheostat, simple one plug key, unknown resistance, and after a one galvanometer and the R box. So now we discuss about the meter bridge. Now 3R is a known. So which one? One on the box, they like one in the meter bridge, like one wire. It is a 100 centimeter long, is a known value. Second is a R box, and third is a rheostat. So we have three known R values, and with the help of three R values, we found the one of the unknown resistance. Now the connection. Every time we connection starting from the battery plus. So you showing here battery plus to point A from on the meter bridge. After C to rheostat upper side, lower anyone to simple plug key to battery negative. It is a simple circuit diagram. After we have a center point B. Now B point connect with the G meter plus, G meter minus to jockey key. After between M and we connect a one unknown wires and with P and Q we connect with the R box. So it is a simple connection because in the exam time it is a compulsory you join the circuit. The simple method after you showing this video you will no more want to revision. Whenever in the exam time you showing in one time this video definitely you perform practical or very easier to connect the circuit. Now how to perform? So now the table. First we want some observation. So first length of the wire of unknown resistance. Suppose it is we know 100 centimeter. Then after the mean diameter like of the wire. So we found with the help of screw gauge. In the 11th science we showing a screw gauge. Suppose we found the value like a 0.056 centimeter. So definitely the radius of the wire, the value is 0.028 centimeter. Now table. Now this practical. We have some non-value of R. So we remove some R from the R box and we found the null point with the help of jockey key. So theoretical point. It is a compulsory. The null point come between 30 to 70 only. So that time you decide which R value you open from the R box. So every time starting from the 20. So this R box you open 20 first. Then after jockey key, you moving on the wires. Now first you check. Now your galvanometer moving in the both side. How can? So now jockey key first put on the A surface A side. So that time you found you showing the galvanometer moving in the left side. Then after you put a jockey key on the C point. So you found the galvanometer moving on the right side. But whenever you no touch jockey key on the wire, so that time you found a galvanometer in zero. Now, how to perform? So you first open the 20 ohm in the R box. Then after you put jockey key on the A side on the wire. So definitely you showing a galvanometer going in the moving in the left side. Then after slide jockey key moving on the wire. That time you show that the galvanometer moving left to right side. Suppose when the galvanometer coming on the zero, so that time you stop moving the jockey key on the wire and you note down the value from the scale. So suppose you showing in the table, you open 20, so you found the length of the wire is a 54. Then after second length DC is equal to 100 minus L. So you found the 46 and then after you got the calculation S1 is equal to R into L by hundreds minus L. So you have value of R, you have length and you have 100 minus L. So definitely you found the value S1. So then after you repeat the practicals like open the 18, 16, 14 and 12. So regarding you found the value of in your screen. Then after you want S in the right gap. So friends, here some change the connection. Now you connect the Mn means unknown between Mn and the known R between PQ. So you stop your circuit connection and interchange between the unknown resistance and the known R box. And again you start the practical. Again you have value 20, 18, 16, 14, 20. Again you start from the A point and you found the value of length and after with the help of calculation you found the value S2. Then after you want the mean resistance like S. So calculation S is equal to S1 plus S2 by 2. Now remaining calculation first density. Then after delta S1, delta S2, delta S and delta P. So here some equation. One is the density P is equal to S in pi R square by L. Now the value like S. You have value of S from the table is the mean resistance. Pi you know very well 3.14. R is a radius and L is a length. It is a 100. So you got value of density. Then after delta P. Delta P how can possible? Delta P found before that you want the value of delta S1. So equation delta L by L plus delta L by 100 minus L into S1. Delta L it is a value of least count of the meter scale. It is a 0.1. You have value of L from the table from S1 in the left gap. Delta L again 0.1. You have value of 100 minus L. So definitely you solve the equation delta S1. After delta S do the same equation, delta L by L plus delta L by 100 minus L into S2. And finally you got delta S is equal to delta S1 plus delta S2, and then after you found the delta P. So friends, it is a very simple practical, it's a theoretical base. Whenever the school starts, definitely be showing the live demo. But before that, you showing this video, you retain some values, retain some circuit diagrams, table. So very easier we perform in the laboratories, and you say definitely this practical is going a very easier. So friends, now in the next videos, we going with the practical number third one. So hope so you showing this video.